Hello guys. So today I will be showing you some examples using entity relationship diagram under channel and postcode. So this is our first problem. Problem number one is a pet shop has many pets. A pet has one room. Many rooms are in a pet shop. And the pet shop has many pet foods. And a pet eats many pet food. So take note. These objects of ours has the following attributes. Petcha has name, which is a data type string. Pet has type, data type string, and name, data type string. And pet food has brand, and which is string, and data type price, which is float. So for our first problem, a pet shop has many pets using close quote. Take note, our object should have our name, and then we separate it from the attributes. Our attributes shall be symbolized by the plus symbol. So the attribute is name, colon to separate the data type, and then what particular data types. Also take note, our object should be singular, and it should be in capital letters, whereas our attributes are all in small letters. Same goes for pet. A name strings. So we can shop. So A, that's the singular form. So singular form, one is denoted by straight line. One, a pet shop. So one pet shop and so many. Okay. The symbol for many is okay, so okay. But for many, we also use the symbol one for many. There's no symbol for just one. Okay, take note of that. For many, the symbol is one and many. So straight line and the row, the foot of the row. Okay. For our next problem, a pet has row. So again, we create a new object. So a pet, so that's single. So two straight line. Pet has so one, two straight line also four. Pet has one pet has one room. Okay. Next problem. Many rooms are in a pet shop. So in this instance, take note, because of the direction of the data, usually we read the data from top to bottom and from left to right. Okay, from left to right. Now, in the earlier example, we could also actually change the action that is used here or verb that is used here. We can say that room is occupied by pet. Okay, but that would make the statement more complicated. So I just use the word has, but you could also use that one. Room, and then here in place is occupied by one pet. One room is occupied by one pet. Okay, the meaning is the same. Okay, so take note of that. Top to bottom, left to right. That is the usual pattern or flow of data. So in this instance, one pet shop. So because a pet shop, so one has many. So again, single line and then put up a row, boom. One pet shop has one or many, boom. Okay, next problem. So in this instance, we wrote two. So the first one is many pet shop buys many pet food. So for this instance, okay, we actually change this one. Pet food is bought by, take note, all small letters. Okay. So many pet shop buys many pet food because we place our object here, so it should be from left to right. So one or many pet food is bought by one or many pet shops. Okay, take note, our pet food has brand and price. For the next problem, a pet eats many pet food. So for this instance, we will be crossing the line that we use here for pen, shop, and room. Now, in order to symbolize that we are crossing the line, please do not make a straight line or a cross. What you do is you curve the line in order to denote that you are passing through. Okay. So in this instance, one or many pet food, again, from left to right, is eaten by one pet because a pet eats many pet food. Okay, so we just transpose the verb or we change the verb or action from the source to the destination. Okay, what will happen if we change it to Chen diagram? Okay, so take note in the Chen diagram, there is a specification for one or many or zero or many or zero or one or many. Okay, or many or many. There's also many or many. Okay? So in this instance, pet shop has many pet. One pet shop has many pet. Okay. Next, a pet has one room. So one pet has one room. A room, one room is occupied by one pet. That is also considered. Okay. If you want to change that, you can do that. The verb or the action, you can do that. Next, many room are in a pet shop. So one pet shop has many, take note, M, rooms. Okay. Again, same instance, many pet shop buys many pet food. So pet food, many pet food is bought by many pet shop. Okay. A pet eats many pet food. A pet food, so a pet eats many pet food. So for this instance, it's only one. So many pet food is eaten by one pet. Okay. For our next problem, these are the instances: farmer, cow, barn, hay. Okay. So in this instance, we have the following attributes. Farmer has name and age. Cow has name, string, and type, which is string. And barn has address, which is string. Okay. For our first problem, we're going to use, or for our first diagram, we're going to use again close put. So farmer, one farmer raises many cow. And our cow has name and type. So I forgot to do that. Let me correct that. Okay. Next problem. One or more cow lives inside one barn. So one or more cows. So one or more cow lives inside one barn. Or one barn houses one or more cow. Next, one or more cow eats many hay. One or many hay is eaten by one or many cow. One or many farmers stores one hay. One hay stored by one or many farmer. Zero or many hay are stored inside one barn. Take note, zero, we denote using circle. Zero, and then many. There's also an instance of zero or one. Okay, for zero or one, you just add circle and then a straight line. In this instance, zero or many K is stored inside one barn. Okay. And also use our store, but I think it should be singular. Okay. The rule is the action is always singular. Stored inside one barn. Okay. For the Chen, okay, one farmer raises many cows. So one farmer raises many cows. And the attributes are missing. So let's do that. Okay. Next problem. One or more cow lives inside one barn. One or many cow lives inside one barn. Or one barn houses one or many cow. One or more cow eats many hay. Many hay M is eaten by one or many cow. Next, one or many farmers stores one hay. One hay is stored by one or many farmer. And then lastly, zero or many hay are stored inside one barn. Zero or many. There's also an instance of 0:1 or 0 or 1. So in this instance, zero or many hay is stored by or is stored inside one barn. Okay, so that is how you would create your Chen and Pro's ERD diagram.